When you write long form SEO content, say a 3000 word guide, it's easy to start strong and then accidentally wander off course. The introduction perfectly matches the search intent, but midway through some section that focuses on slightly different topic. This problem is called intent drift and it's sneaker than you think. Google notices it, readers feel it, and your ranking can quietly suffer because your page isn't sending one clear signal anymore. That's where DEBRT stands. Decoding enhanced BERT with disentangled attention comes in. It's not just another NLP model, it's one of the smartest way to detect whether your content stays aligned with the searcher's intent. What is intent drift? Imagine you are writing for someone searching best running shoes for marathon training. The intro nails it, perfectly answering with what the user wants. But by section 3, you are deep into history of running shoes. By section 6, you are talking about shoe fashion trends. Both are interesting, but neither matches the original intent. That gap between what the searcher wanted and what the section delivers, that's intent drift. Why detecting intent drift matters. Search intent is the glue holding your content together. Once sections start drifting, readers drop off because they are not getting what they came for. Google sees mixed signals and lowers topical authority. Rankings bubble because your page isn't a strong, consistent match anymore. Think of your blog like a train. If every cartage section isn't heading to the same passengers, your readers won't stick around for the ride. Enter DBRT, your intent guardian. DBRT isn't just BERT. With a fancy name, it's designed to understand context in a deeper way. It separates word meaning from word position, making it better at understanding long text. It builds embeddings, think of them as digital fingerprints for your sentence and section. If a section starts drifting, DBRT can flag it like a content quality check for SEO intent. How intent drift detection works with DBRT. Here's a simple workflow. Step 1. Define your main search intent. Informational, transactional, navigational. Step 2. Break your long form piece into section or headings. Step 3. Use DBRT to generate embeddings for each section. Step 4. Compare section embedding with the core intent embedding. Step 5. Identify section with lower similarity scores. They are drifting. For example, if the core intent is marathon training shoes, but one section scores closer to shoe history, that's a red flag. Why SEO teams should care. Using DBRT for drift detection gives you consistency across the page, readers stay engaged, less manual review, saves editors hours of intent checking, better topical authority, Google sees your page as tightly focused, stable ranking, no more slow shift from page 1. Long form SEO content is powerful, but it's also risky. Drift just a little and your article stops being the best answer to the query. With DBRT, you have got a smart assistant that keeps you every section aligned with your main intent. That way, your content doesn't just get traffic, it keeps it. Remember, keywords get you noticed, but intent consistency wins you trust and ranking.